First semester final exam, page 12. Final exam review, page 12. All right, because this is a kite, these two sides are equal to one another, as you can see by the tick marks, and these two are equal to one another. So this has an x and a y, so I'm going to come down here and do these first. So 2x plus 2 is equal to x plus 9. Get rid of my smaller x first. So I have x plus 2 is equal to 9 when I drop these down. It says add 2, so I'm going to subtract 2. My goal again is to get all the x's on one side, all the numbers on the other. So x then equals 7. Go substitute it in. 7 plus 9 is 16. So one of them is 16. And going to find out what y is. 7 plus 5 is 12. So y minus 5 has to equal 12. It says subtract 5, so I add 5. So y then is equal to 17. And the other side is 12. 12 and 16, 7 and 17 for the sides. For the parallelogram, if angle 2 is equal to 3x minus 22, 3x minus 22, and angle 4 is equal to 2x minus 6. Alrighty, because this is a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal to one another. So 3x minus 22 is equal to 2x minus 6. Subtract 2x from both sides. So x minus 22 is going to equal minus 6. It says subtract 22, so I'm going to add 22. So x then equals 16. Angle 1, if this is 16, I know there's 180 degrees. These two are supplementary to each other. But first, I better find the angle. So 3 times 16 is 48 minus 22. So 48 take away 22 then is going to be 26. So this angle is 26 degrees. So 180 minus 26 is going to give me 154 degrees. So angle 1 is 154 degrees. Angle 2 is 26 degrees. Angle 3 is 154 degrees. And angle 4 is 26 degrees. Angle 1, 2, and 3 in the kite. All right, so angle 2, we know the middle of a kite is equal to 90 degrees. So all those angles are equal to 90. So if this is 90, 180 minus 90 will leave me with 90. So 90 minus 37. 90 take away 37 is going to leave me with 53. So angle 3 then is 53 degrees. And now I got to find angle 1. Angle 1 is going to be the same as this angle across from it. So angle 1 is 37 degrees. In a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, explain a diagram is not to scale. If this is a parallelogram, okay, so both of these are equal to 130. So opposite angles are congruent. And then I have to check and see if adjacent angles are consecutive angles are supplementary to one another. And they are. So yes, this is a parallelogram, and the consecutive angles are supplementary. So the two adjacent angles are supplementary to one another, and opposite angles are